Birch acts as a vital safety net against ad account hacks and platform glitches, preventing unnecessary ad spend and ensuring swift and effective damage control. We're going to configure an emergency shutoff lever to instantly pause all active ad campaigns. If an emergency occurs, all you need to do is update a single number in your Google Sheet to trigger an automatic shutdown across multiple ad accounts. Think of it as a red emergency button for your campaigns. And the great thing about it is that you can activate it for all supported ad platforms: Meta, Google, TikTok, and Snapchat. Start by configuring your Google Sheet with link-based access. You only need one cell, in this case it's A2, to start the emergency status, 0 for normal situations and 1 for emergencies. Once this system is in place, a simple update to this cell will instantly activate the shutdown protocol, helping you prevent unnecessary ad spend during critical situations. Our rule will be very simple. I'll show you an example with Meta, but you can do this with any other platform using similar steps. Start by choosing the ad accounts you want to apply the rule to. You can include up to 5 accounts per rule. For scope, we'll target all active campaigns. Next, we'll configure the task to pause all active campaigns if a specified condition is met. For the condition, we'll need to create a custom metric linked to the Google Sheet. Let's call it emergency status. We'll insert the Google Sheet link and select single value to ensure the rule operates based on the emergency status in the sheet. Our condition will be if emergency status is equal to 1. Essentially, our rule will pause all active campaigns if the cell value is 1. To ensure the rule remains effective, set it up to run hourly. This way, it continuously checks the emergency status in your Google Sheet and acts immediately if needed. Now you can activate the rule. I'll save it as a draft for now, and then just duplicate it and apply it to all your ad accounts in case you have more than 5 that fit into one rule. With this setup in place, you have a reliable emergency shutoff system that operates seamlessly across your ad accounts, all ad platforms. Stay tuned for more tips.